my name is Mary Kate and I work at the Palos Heights Public Library. Today I'm going to be telling you about a couple of books I think you might want to read. The first book is called Itty Bitty Betty Blob Makes a Splash by Constance Lombardo. Itty Bitty Betty Bob wants to join the Devil Divers. Coach wants everyone to make a big crash, flop, and splash like the fierce monsters some of them are. But that's not who Betty is. Can Betty make it onto the team with her fancy and pretty dives? The next book is called Whoa, Panda by C.S. Jennings. Panda always gets so excited to see old and new friends. They can't contain their excitement and need to show how much they appreciate their friends. Panda learns how to show their excitement in ways that won't make their friends uncomfortable. The last book is called When You Go to Dragon School by Chelsea Campbell. Where do you go to school when the human school is full? Why, you go to dragon school, of course. Can the humans survive fire breathing class, napping on piles of gold, learning to polish their scales, and flying lessons when they have no wings, scales, or they can't breathe fire? What can the humans and dragons learn from each other to make dragon school work for both humans and dragons? Thank you for listening to me share these new books with you. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and be sure to stop by the library to see and check out all of our new books.